Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You'll begin by preparing the laptop so the update runs cleanly. First, plug in power or confirm battery is at least 50% because interruptions cause failures. Once done, save documents and quit apps to prevent file conflicts and speed the process. Next, connect to a stable Wi-Fi network so the download won't stall. If you're on a metered plan, expect data use. Finally, open the system tray and click the time to access settings. Let's move into the update controls now. Once in settings, go to About Chrome OS and tap Check for updates to force the system to look for the latest build. The device will download and then verify the package. Let that finish because interrupting verification risks corruption. After verification, the installer applies the update and schedules a restart. You'll see progress and estimated time. If installation stalls, make sure storage isn't full and try again, or switch to another network, because network issues are the most common middle step hangups. Restart right away when the system prompts. The final phase applies changes during boot, so skipping that leaves you on the old version. After your Chromebook restarts, reopen settings and confirm the new OS version under About Chrome OS to verify success. If features behave oddly, wait 5 to 10 minutes for background optimizations to finish. If updates repeatedly fail, perform a power wash to reset settings, or create recovery media from another computer to reinstall Chrome OS.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.